Hey everybody, this video is sponsored by Hayward Industries. I've been working on a lot of Hayward products this year, and I've done a few unboxings and presentations and promotions of their product. They've sent me out what I would consider to be the ultimate pool light scenario. In the process right now of having our pool refinished from top to bottom. And I want to get these ready now. These have come in, and actually won't be using them until early spring. They'll be installed in early spring, but right now I want to do an unboxing and a presentation of this product. And I'm really excited about this. It's these I have two boxes here. I'm not going to open the second one, but in these boxes are their high-end Ultracolor 2 pool lights. They're 12 volt, they're low voltage, and these come with a 100-foot cable. Let's open them and let's see really what they look like. Now, when I first got our house and the pool was already here, the pool was already to a point where there were things that needed some work. And I ended up doing that work, but now the pool actually needs to be refinished. It probably needed to be refinished about 10 years ago. The plaster is old and stained, and it's a gunite pool. And the lights have gone through some changes over time. When I first came here, there were 500-watt bulbs in the pool lights. It was a tremendous waste of energy, right? And then I was able to convert those down to LED, white LED. And you know, like anything that you retrofit, sometimes they just don't work out, and they blew out after a couple of years, and now they're kind of just old like everything else with the pool. So we're going to refresh them with this particular product here. So let's take a look at what we have. All right, this is called a Universal ColorLogic and CrystalLogic LED light fixtures. This is your owner's manual, and what we have here is, this looks like some kind of a mounting plate. I don't know what it is yet, so I'm not going to be able to say, but there's some kind of a plate here. All right, and I'm assuming that might go on the niche and the lights might fit in the plate, but again, I don't know yet. And we have 100 feet of cable here, and this is low voltage. This is low voltage cable, and this is actually going to be strung through the pipe and wired in. All right, so for now I'm just going to put this cable down here because it's pretty heavy. And somewhere in the bottom of this box is the light. We're gonna uncover that right now. Now the pool company that is actually doing the install on this is actually going to handle this. I'm not going to mess with the pool lights because I don't know anything about them. Now here's some other kind of mounting. There's another mounting bracket. Not sure exactly how this is going to all fit together, but here's another mounting bracket. And then finally, in the bottom here, we have the actual pool light itself. This is actually going to be crazy. Somehow this fits into that, or that fits into this. I'm not really sure, but I see some tabs here. But this is the lighting. And from what I understand, this kit will do everything you could possibly imagine, from a disco light show to some kind of a themed presentation in the water. And it's just going to be incredible. I just know it is. And this is real heavy duty. Nice lens on here. I want you to show you the back of it, show you what it looks like. And some people like reading labels. I'm going to leave this up here for a second so you can kind of zoom in on that. Pause the video and zoom in on the label if you want. But again, this is 12 volts, not high voltage at all. So this is not something that's going to hurt people in the pool. Right, there's some kind of a mounting screw and locking tab right here. I don't know how any of this goes together. So I'm not even going to make believe to guess on that, because I just don't know. And it wouldn't be right for me to guess not knowing. This here I'd like to open to see what's in here, but I don't know how we get to that part. Oh yeah, maybe here's how. 'Cause I see a couple of screws in here. I'm just kind of interested to see what's going on with it. So I've got, oh yeah, there's a couple of different trim. This is a trim, must be the trims, the light trims. I guess you pick what you like. All right. There's the fastener at the top of it. So let's open it up. We'll open up both trims and see what's going on. Now these will be lovingly put away until spring, when the pool guys get around to installing them, after the pool has been refinished. We've got some screws in a bag. We've got this plate, which is different than this plate over here. So there's two different plates. This one has Hayward on the top. Okay, if you can see it. And this one has Hayward on the middle, right up here. And it actually appears as though this ring is breakaway for some reason, and I don't know. Again, I'm not going to second guess because I haven't read any instructions. I'm just presenting the product to you as I unbox it. So that looks like another type of trim ring. And then here, oh, there's something else. There's a gray trim ring if you wish. So it looks like this white ring and the other ring, this gray ring and one of those white rings are identical. Right? That's what it looks like to me. And I'm going to say this ring here and this one look identical. And it maybe depends on if you don't want to see the lighting. If you want a gray ring, maybe it's the color of your pool. I'll probably go with the white, but for a little cleaner look. That's just me though. So we've got a few trim rings over here, true trim ring options, and then we have a stainless steel option. Okay, stainless steel option. It has the name Hayward stamped on the top of it right there. At first look, I probably will go with this trim ring here, and it's probably just a matter of just popping them on and off as you see fit. If you don't want it or like it, okay, that's what I'm thinking. So I am going to put this back very carefully, the way it came out of here. Now we've got this, okay, and that's going to go in this bag here, and I'm going to put this ring on the bottom, underneath here. So this is all sandwiched in, all right. And I'm going to put it back in the bag. Like I said, there's two of these, and when you see the other parts that I have, you'll know how they'll all work together, okay? So that is it. 100 feet of cable, some kind of trim ring attachments. This here, which I don't know what it is, but it looks like some kind of a breakaway kind of ring. I'm sure I'm not smart enough to understand that because I don't know. I've never seen these before. And then, as a reminder, just the light itself, which is like, I'm going to tell you right now, holding this is incredibly heavy. So I am really interested in how all this stuff is going to go together. It's all waterproof. It's all nice. It's a beautiful product. Again, video sponsored by Hayward Industries. They've really taken care of me this year. What I'm going to tell you is the best pool equipment that I've had in my entire life. My pool this year has never looked cleaner. It's never run better. It has chemically balanced. Has been awesome. So I'm talking this year I've replaced my filter with the Hayward sand filter, the large sand filter with a side mount valve. I replaced my 50,000 BTU old heater that was on its last leg with 110,000 BTU Hayward Industries heater. The pool water heats right up. It's so energy efficient. It's very impressive. People that go in the pool, they can't believe how much warm water is coming out of that. And I do like to keep my pool warm. I'm guilty. I keep my pool over 83 degrees. 85 is probably best for me. A little shut off at 85, But my pool's been as high as 90, 91 or 92 degrees this summer. Personally, I like it. Some people don't like it, but hey, that's my call and my choice, right? So all of this stuff, I've got two of these, one for the shallow end, one for the deep end. No need to unbox that because that's exactly what's in here. But that's what we have. So hats off to Hayward Industries. God bless. Thank you. People that have been following my videos this year for the swimming pool stuff, check this out because this is going to be one impressive product once you see it installed and working. Take care and God bless.